Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we created and tested getActivities API call in our Spring Boot application. And in today's video, we will create a new Angular application and we will install ngZoro UI library as well. So let's get started. And as you can see, I open a folder where we have backend application. And in this folder, we will right click and we will open the terminal. And in this terminal we need to give the command to create a new Angular application, which is ng new, and after this we need to give the name of the project, which is fitness web. Now let's hit enter, and now it will ask us some questions, and the first question is which style sheet format would you like to use, and from these options we will select SAS SCSS, and after this it is asking to enable server-side rendering, and here we will choose yes. And as you can see, the npm packages installation is started. Now let's wait for some time. And as you can see, our project creation process is completed. Now let's close this terminal, and in the files we got a folder fitness web. Now we need to open this folder in the VS Code, so we will right click on this, and after this we will choose show more options, and then we will click on open with code. And as you can see, we got our project in the VS Code. Now we need to run this project, so we will click on terminal and we will create a new terminal, and in this terminal we will write the command npm start. And as you can see, our project is up and running on port 4200 without any errors. Now let's go to the browser, and in the browser, as you can see, we got the basic Angular page, and on this page it says hello and then our project name, and after this we have congratulations, your app is running. And after this we need to install UI library ngZoro in our Angular project, and to install this library we need to visit ng.and.design, and on the docs introduction page we will scroll down, and here we will get the command to install it. So we will copy this command and we will go back to our Angular application, and in our Angular application we will create a new terminal, and in this terminal we will paste this command and we will hit enter, and as you can see it is searching for the compatible version, and now it says the package ngZoro and 17.4.1 will be installed and executed. So to proceed we will choose Y, and as you can see the package's installation started. Now let's wait for some time. And as you can see the package is successfully installed, and now it is asking a question for enable icon dynamic loading, and here we will give it as yes, and after this it is asking to set up custom theme file, and here we will give it as no, and after this it is asking to choose the local code and we will go with en_us, and at the end it is asking to choose the template to create the project and we will give it as blank. And as you can see the UI library installed successfully and it updated some files of our project. And now let's go to the browser to confirm the installation, and in the browser as you can see we got the logo of ngZoro, which indicates the installation completed. And that's it for today's video. In the next video we will create sidebar in our Angular project.